Hello, this is Brian Nelson. I have cancer. You can find my site, IamFightingCancer.com. I've lost my voice. I can't yell or talk loud. You may not understand me. I have significant cough. It runs about 50 times a day, about 15 coughs at a time, followed by 10 sneezes about a third of the time. I'm going to play some coughs for you and tell me if you know anything about this kind of a cough. It sounds absolutely terrible. There's no pain and there's nothing in my mouth. There's nothing I cough up. But maybe you can help me. So take a listen and I'll try to turn this on and get this to play. Mine's coughing. Okay, that was number 1 of 3. Here's number 2 of 3. It's coughing section 2. And here's 3 of 3. Number 3. So I've lost my voice in June. I take Alimta as chemo every 3 weeks. So what's causing my voice loss and what's causing this crazy cough? I hope to hear from you if you have any ideas. Thanks, or make comments in the comment section. Bye-bye.